this video, we will show you how to manage taxes in our VMS system. By the end of the video, you will be able to configure product categories and tax jurisdictions, assign a jurisdiction to a machine, and export different tax reports. Some regions or districts may have specific tax codes for different product categories. To configure a product's tax category, click Product, then Products. In the middle product list columns, you will see the Tax Category column. Below, we have already assigned categories to a few products. To assign a category to a product, select the pencil next to the product's brand. Next, select an existing category or enter the name of a new product category. Then, click OK. To add or modify tax jurisdictions, click Tax, then Tax Jurisdictions. Our VMS system supports a 5-layer tax jurisdiction for nationwide, state, county, city, and a custom tax jurisdiction. To create a new jurisdiction, click the blue Add Tax Jurisdiction button and enter in all the required information. In this example, we will create a new jurisdiction for a new city. Since this city falls under North Carolina's jurisdiction, that is what we will select for the parent jurisdiction. Next, enter in the sales tax rate required for Chapel Hill. This applies to all items in your system for products above the minimum taxable product price entered below. In this example, all products below $2 will not be subjected to this 7% tax rate. To specify the tax rate for product categories, click Add Rate just below. Enter in the specific tax rate. Then type the product categories this tax rate will apply to. Once all the taxes are configured for Chapel Hill, click Save at the bottom. In this example, a machine is assigned Sandstar's office jurisdiction will be subjected to the taxes set for Charlotte, Mecklenburg County, North Carolina, and the United States. To assign a machine to a tax jurisdiction, click Merchant Authority, then Machines. Once you're in the machine list page, click Edit for the machine you wish to modify. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the tax jurisdiction field. Click the field to populate the jurisdiction list and expand the list to select the correct jurisdiction for this machine. To view and export tax reports, click Tax, then Tax Sales on the navigation bar. Here you will see the transaction and tax sales for each jurisdiction for the time frame applied. Total order amount is the total product cost for transactions occurred in that jurisdiction. The total amount due is the total order amount. The total taxable amount is a portion of the order amount that is qualified for taxes based on the jurisdiction's minimum taxable product price. The tax rate is the effective tax rate for tax due. Lastly, the total tax payable is the tax due for its respective jurisdiction. For more information on the tax setup on VMS, please refer to the VMS and OPS guides. Thank you.